Hi, I'm Andrea, and welcome back to Andrea Fixes Your Professional English, the podcast for professionals who want to communicate effectively in English and build strong relationships at work. Today is episode 9, and we're tackling a big challenge today: giving constructive feedback. One of my students, let's call him Lukas for this episode, is a software engineer from Germany. He's working in Germany, but for an international company. He told me, Andrea, I need to give feedback to my junior colleagues, but I'm afraid of sounding too harsh or coming across as rude in English. Does this sound familiar? Giving feedback is difficult in any language, but in English, it's even trickier because tone and phrasing matter a lot. You want to be honest, helpful, and professional all at the same time. In this episode, you'll learn key phrases to give constructive feedback, practice them with me, and then hear a sample conversation to see how it works in a real situation. Are you ready? Let's get started. So here are 5 advanced phrases to help you communicate effectively. I appreciate your effort on. Say that after me. I appreciate your effort on. This starts with positive recognition. An example could be, I appreciate your effort on the client presentation last week. One area to focus on is, again, practice with me. One area to focus on is. This introduces feedback without sounding critical. One area to focus on is double checking the data in your reports. Some people also pronounce this data or data, but it just depends on the accent and where they come from. I say data, and the majority of people in Britain do as well. It might help to, again, practice this with me. It might help to. This suggests improvement in a supportive way. It might help to prepare a summary slide for each section of your report. Have you considered? Practice again. Have you considered? This encourages reflection and collaboration. Have you considered asking the client for feedback before finalizing the document? And I'm confident that you can. One more time. I'm confident that you can. This ends on a motivating note. For example, I'm confident that you can incorporate this feedback and make the next report even stronger. Do you notice that these phrases soften the feedback? They focus on solutions and they maintain a positive tone. So here's how Lukas might use these phrases in a one-to-one session with his junior colleague. I appreciate your effort on the client presentation last week. It was really thorough. Thanks, Lukas. One area to focus on is double checking the data in your slides. It might help to prepare a summary slide for each section. Okay, I see. Have you considered asking the client for feedback before finalizing the document?
No, I hadn't thought of that.
Great. I'm confident that you can incorporate this feedback and make your presentation even stronger. So did you see what happened? Lukas gave clear, constructive guidance while staying positive and professional. The colleague felt supported and he didn't feel criticized. Remember that giving feedback in English doesn't have to be uncomfortable. Using the right phrases helps you communicate authority while being approachable. And remember as well that constructive feedback is a skill. The more that you practice it, the more natural it becomes. Follow my podcast for more professional English tips. Would you like personalized help giving feedback in English? Well, book a class with me and we can role play your real work scenarios. Check my LinkedIn and other social media for more examples, mini practice exercises, and professional English tips.